Hey everybody, welcome to your home exercise program. Today we're going to go over a new exercise that's all about pelvic stability as well as hip stability, lower back control, pelvic floor control, breath work, kind of everything all wrapped into one. So what you will need is a yoga block, a couple of pillows, one pillow if we're just getting started. If you have a lot of medical degrees and a lot of textbooks from school, you can use one of those, which is what I'm going to be doing. So we're going to be on your hands and your knees. We are going to focus on movement right now just to kind of get it working. If we are able to pair pelvic floor with that, you will have practiced it in your session, but in this video we're just going to go over the motion because I promise it's enough. So what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to have one leg that's going to be your stable leg, and we're going to be moving your pelvis around that leg. So you're going to have a stable leg that's on the book itself. That leg is a nice strong femur that's not going to go anywhere. I don't want you to move kind of that whole hip and that leg while your other pelvis or other leg in your pelvis is going to rotate around that. And it's going to make more sense here in a minute, but we're going to be utilizing the book under one knee and we're going to be moving our pelvis. Now I'm going to show you this head on to kind of explain the motion, and then I'm going to show it to you from your favorite angle ever, my rear end, because it will just make more sense when you can see all of it move all at one time. So you'll grab a book and you're going to put one knee on it, or once again, yoga block, pillow, whatever you have. Hands can be flat or up if you are having wrist issues, but we're going to go flat for me. And this side of my body, I'm working to lift it up so that way I come level with this side of my pelvis, which you can kind of see right here is a little bit higher. So when I lift, I'm just going to lift up to level and back down. Now I want you to notice this is not a big giant movement. If you feel like you're having to lean to get that leg up or to make it happen, you're doing way too much. We are just hanging out here, lifting straight up and going straight back down. Now, once again, for your favorite angle ever, you're welcome. We are on hands and knees and we are lifting right side of my pelvis, because right now we have this angle going down towards my right side. We are keeping this nice and stable. All my weight is shifted onto this leg. We're lifting straight up and straight down. We're going for a nice flat back right through here. If you feel like you have to do this to make it happen, we are doing it wrong and doing a little bit too much. We don't want to wind up leaning and creating this kind of an angle down here. We are just coming to neutral. If you are getting really good at this and you want to make it harder, you can come up to neutral and create that rotation and come back down. However, most of you are not going to be at that level yet, so we're going to stick to just the neutral. We want you to do it on both sides because both sides of your pelvis need stabilization. So put your knee, right knee on and then left knee on, and let's do multiple repetitions in both sides. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye friends.